Hey guys, Janet here, Strange RV Tours, Hudson, Florida. We're at Winter Paradise RV Resort, right off the Highway 19, and I'll show you around, okay? It's not so cushy, but I'll show you anyway. Okay, as you can see, there's a big propane tank right at the entrance. And they can only do tanks at this time. They can't do RVs. And they're waiting on a certification for somebody. So, I don't know the price, but they said they just couldn't at this point. But tanks, I think, is all they're going to be able to do. And here's the clubhouse. The entrance. That's the manager's place over here. And anyway, the clubhouse actually is getting ready to be remodeled. And there is some workout equipment, some free weights. They've moved like some shelving. They're getting ready to remodel, but they have some books. They have a little baby grand piano. They have a big bingo display, electronic bingo display, and they play bingo all the time. Like every other Friday they have a dance or karaoke, and they have poker and game night on Sunday nights. There's different events, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And big laundry facility, $2 to wash, $2 to dry, and pretty nice little shuffleboard court. You can play shuffleboard. And the pool is actually kind of nice, and then let's see, it goes to 8 foot. It's been kind of chilly, so we haven't been in it, but you know, it's chilly outside. But let's see. Oh, that's comfortable. Looks like it's well maintained. And no hot tub. But we're right on the highway, so it is kind of noisy right here. But, let's see. Let's go on round and about. Okay? It's dawn to dusk. That's a lot of facilities nowadays. But, here we go. All right. The washers and dryers, they've got like 20 of each, right? And this is the only location. They do have a shower house on down the road with the code, so not just anybody can get in it. I've seen at least 20 feral cats running around. Okay, I mean, cats everywhere. I mean, I have 2 cats. I love cats, but all these running around, oh my gosh. That's us. And the people next to us came and left like twice. There's kids running around, which is fine, but they're running around at night too. It's like, oh my gosh, where's their parents? I saw a little girl running around. It was like 9 o'clock, running around, just walking around, like looking at stuff. But and some are trying to keep up somebody's trying to remodel this one, but it's just not. The grounds aren't kept up. I mean, they just painted the numbers like yesterday. They're trying, but and this is their storage lot. You know, they have, you know, tow dollies all over the place, but that's fine. You have a storage area. I mean, I don't know, guys. I mean, this is Passport America, $16.50 a night for 6 nights. We're staying 7, so I paid the full price. There's no Wi-Fi. There's no cable. They do accept mail. They do have a mail center for all these people. Yeah, they're gonna have to accept mail. But they mowed yesterday and did some weed eating. But I mean, look, see how they're so close together? It's ridiculous. And I'll show you at our lot what we had to do. They had to dig out the sewer line because they couldn't find it. But it's all ass backwards. Sorry my language, but it was. I mean, really was. It's slim pickings during the winter down in Florida. It really is. I mean, we're hunting and hunting for places to stay. You know what? You know, see, a guy was walking there. They walk right through your, there's no etiquette. They walk right through by your car, whatever. They go right through wherever they want. Okay. So, this is where we're at. And car neighbor here was really informative. Gossip. Anyway, problem was, first thing when we got here, we had a heck of a time getting in because of stuff like that. You know, that's tight right there with all this, but they don't even have cable. Okay, now look where the electric and water line is. Okay, all the way the wrong side. And they said half, most of the place is like that. Then they had to dig out the sewer line. They could not find it. At least there was a cap on it. And trying to fit that in was a trick. And when I got down on my knees, I got stickers all the way my knees. And the dog got stickers walking all the way around this back side. The front's not so bad. But I had to walk the dog around on this side. When people over here, there is no dog park. Okay, guys. Hey, this was not the best place to be, but I had to show you. But if you like the video, hit like, subscribe if you like all the stuff that we show you, and hit the bell for notifications. And then another thing, Patreon subscribers, you know, if you sign up for that, there's going to be some behind the scenes stuff for y'all. So take a look at Patreon. It'd be, you know, totally different. All right, bye.